Okay, this is Honk. I'm at the Sonic, and as you can see, or I hope you can see, it's 10:31. That's Nextel Time. There's my clock. Don't see anybody here. There's somebody. Is it time for a whooping? Hey. There's Leo. There he is, man.
You're really filming that?
Hell yeah. I'm trying to.
I don't want you putting that up where any of them geeks can see it.
Turn on the lights in there. I can't even get your face.
I don't want none of them geeks seeing this shit.
There you go. Where's Stump?
I knew he wouldn't show. I told you. I was taking $500 bets with Pop on tailgate, and nobody would take it.
That damn pussy.
So I'm not surprised at all.
Well, I don't see him anywhere.
Have you looked on the other side? I hadn't rode through there for a minute.
Yeah, I came in on the other side. I've circled this place. I'm going to circle it one more time.
I'll give you about 5 or 10 more minutes. I'm going to stay.
Looks like Stump has pussed out. Unless that's Stump. Hey, is Stump black?
No, I don't know. It's just a white dude.
There's nobody here but me and you and a bunch of black guys.
I don't exactly know what he looks like, but I figured he said we'd be the only people here.
Yeah.
Of course, I think these are just employees leaving, getting off work.
Well, I'm going to shut this down for now, and we'll crank it back up if the